onto your hats, fasten your seatbelts. This is Jacob versus Wild. Jacob says, "You stupid weeds, I'm trying to walk here." "What's this?" "I think I'll step on it. Now I'm gonna walk down it." A balancing act for the ages. Olympics, here we come. There he is.
Jacob 1, nature 0.
Searching the shrubbery, Jacob finds a tasty-looking leaf.
Jacob 1, nature 1.
What's that? I think it's a... Pick up the stick. That's no good. Get it out of here. That's a solid rock. Sling it back. Be quiet. Meow. Yeah.
Jacob 2, nature 1.
Running down the road. Obstruction? I think not.
Jacob 3, nature 1.
How many Jacobs does it take to climb a tree? 1. Notice the perfect form. Notice the impeccable balance. Notice the fluidity with which he ascended. Oh my gosh.
Jacob 4, nature 1.
After a long 10 minutes, Jacob's masterpiece was finally completed.
Jacob 5, nature 1.
It's getting pretty chilly out here. I think it's time to build a nice warm fire for ourselves. And by ourselves, I mean Jacob and I. Tinder, running shoes, ashes, saliva. What else do you need? I think I got it covered. Step 1, take 2 sticks. Step 2, look at them intensely. Step 3, rub them together very slightly. Step 4, slap the other stick. Step 5, point towards the sky. Step 6, continue making the fire. Step 7, get frustrated and walk away. Oh my goodness, give me a break.
Jacob 5, nature 2.
Water, nature's most dangerous and devastating element. Think Jacob cares? I don't think so. Swan dive! Jacob takes the water head on. A breaststroke, 2 breaststroke, a breath, a slight butterfly underwater, a squirming for air. Wipe your eyes. Under the rope, right under it. Perfect form. Watch out, I'm coming to the shore. Breaststroke again, flutter in the water. Walk in shallow water. Swim in shallow water. He can do it all.
Jacob 6, nature 2. I love nature.
For as long as I've known Jacob, I've come to one conclusion. He loves nature so much. He can build fires. He can swim. He can climb trees. He can eat leaves. Well, most of the time. Yeah, he just loves nature.
Well, the first thing I think of when I think of Jacob is definitely nature. And when I think of nature, I think of Jacob. I mean, I spent a week with him at Ingham, and everything he did just screamed, I love nature. So, I'd say he's not the most naturey person I know, and
Yeah, I don't know. We were playing frisbee in the Circle Drive, and this car pulls up, and Jacob gets out, and I looked at him, and I said, Steve Irwin's long lost son. I mean, this guy, he had it all. He still has it all. Really, honestly, I don't even want to go in nature anymore because I feel so inferior to any abilities that I may have compared to Jacob. And everything I just said flooded my brain when I first looked into the eyes of Mr. Schwagler. And dazed and confused. Jacob.
Alright, what else should I do? Jacob 1, nature 0. Jacob 1. That sounded stupid. Let's redo that. That sounded like I was kidding.
I liked it.
We're just gonna keep you on to this?
Just be like whiny,
Okay.
because you hate nature anyways.
Jacob 1! That sounded stupid too. Okay,
just keep going.
okay.
We're not submitting this anywhere, just say it.
ready? Jacob 1. Nature 1. That was too fast. Let's start that. Alright.
How long is this gonna take?
A long time.
Okay.
Ready? I'll do it for this time. Ready?
Okay.
Noise. It's not a word.
Alright. 6. Nature 2. I love nature. Oh. Sorry guys, that means match you. I love nature. Oh my gosh, I love nature.
I love nature.
I love nature because I love nature.